The bitch came back. Thought she was a goner, but the bitch came back. She couldn't stay away. Don't you know?
Well, the trail to the old fort, guys. The trees are down, so I'm gonna go ahead and move them. There's only a couple here. Go ahead and remove trees. I think somebody put these trees here on purpose. I think so. I think it's on purpose. I don't know. Funny how the way the trees are positioned. I don't know. Alright, let's go scout ahead. Oh. Okay. The fucking battery on this fucking GoPro's junk. What was that? Oh, just a little bit of mud. Just kind of controlled the steering there. So a couple of things I need to grab here. That ain't gonna work. Alright guys, I'm back, and as you can see I'm at an old fort of mine. There's quite a bit of trash, so I'm going to be cleaning that up, but I will be back and forth. Yeah, I haven't been at this fort for over 2 years. We're almost going on 2 years now since I've last been at the fort. Yeah, I'm just scrounging up, grabbing what's salvageable. I'll show you the other fort after. I got 2 big logs here that I'm going to be tying up, and no, it's not on my rack, it's on the hitch thing. And I got 2 posts. I'm trying to figure out, this might be part of my roof, and these are going to be probably posts. I'm going to be playing music, so I'll get to you guys whenever I'm at the other fort. I'm just going to give you a quick walk around here. And I'm just fucking choosing it and ruined anyway, I don't give a fuck. But yeah, if you see this video, yeah, I haven't been to this fort for a couple of years now, and yes, it will be cleaned up, so just give me some time. That there is also going to be moved, and then there's a couple posts there. I might not be able to get to all of it today. I'll try and get much done as I can, but at the same time, I get to move all this. So I'm gonna go do that now, and I'll be back with you guys after.
No, I can't